There's the front yard. Hasn't been mowed in 3 weeks.
It's so
It's
long
fertilized
now.
and so it needs to be mowed. Gonna set it to the high setting. We're not gonna mow it real short. And that's about it. It's gonna be just mowing the grass.
Okay.
Stand over there.
Yeah.
Very good, Audrey. Yeah, we're gonna go look at some. Here's the final product. Grass is all mowed.
Oh, it's clean. Look
It
at
was rough.
this.
We mow at least once a week. That was like 3 weeks we mowed.
Yep. That's nice now. Yeah. Here's my orange flower. It's aging, so look nice now. There is. There are flowers here. Here is all is done. Okay, next backyard mowing here. So long now the grass. Look at that. And that there the tree. Up there the apple tree and maple tree. Garden not yet done. There is. And have here the emerald green tree there, so that have privacy, little petty growing. Have here going to mow now. Yeah.
Any Chloe Silver?
Good. Go there.
Chloe? No, you!
Go there. Hi, RJ. Stuck again. It's RJ.
It's gonna take hours to do this.
Cottaging here. Cannot finish there in the side of the fence. There. And here. See, not yet done here. Here it is. It's done. Cannot finish, honey. Low battery now. There is here. Done mowing and aging here.
Little water. Now you hold it.
There.
Go water the plants.
It's done now there.
Missed the spot.
And the tree.
Gonna miss the spot.
Where?
That purple tree.
Uh-oh, yeah.
Do that next one.
Hey. There is the view there. It is have snow in the mountain little bit. Have snow little bit. Okay. That's it for today. See you next time. Bye-bye.